The governor of Western Bahr al Ghazal State, Sir Kileto Riyal, and some members of the teaching staff at the University of Bahr al Ghazal, representatives from non-governmental organizations, and the organized forces were among the guests at the 5th Luo Community Christmas and New Year celebration. Speaking at the occasion, Governor Sir Kileto Riyal called upon the Luo community to maintain their heritage and culture.
انتوا ما تخلوا عيال عشان ما يتكلموا باللغه بتاعنا. وانا مبسوطه من قبيله بتاع اللوو او قبائل اللي بيعمل المجموعه بتاع اللوو انه بيتكلموا مع العيال بروتان او باللغه بتاع اللوو، فاستمروا بالكلام ده.
Major General Abraham Gum, SSPDF, Division 5 Commander and representative of the Security Committee, confirmed stable security across the state.
دينا أكلكم إنه الأمن بتاع البلد 100% ما في أي خوف.
The Right Reverend Matthew Remijo, the Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Wau, underscored the importance of teaching and preaching the good news in Luo language in areas predominantly inhabited by members of the Luo community.
الإيمان الكاثوليكية في community بتاع لوو ده بيموت لأنه عندنا صعوبة نلقى مبشرين اللي بيقدر يبشروا ناس لوو بروتان بتاع لوو.
The chairperson of the organized committee, Kon Bayama Kur, said that the celebration provided an opportunity to bring members of the community together to practice and maintain their culture heritage.
الهدف بتاع اليوم دايرين نقود الشباب من نهاية التعليم، من نهاية الثقافة، من نهاية دينية عشان الشباب يمشي للأمام.
The carnival was colored with traditional dances performed by different bands. Cliff John Oshaya, SSBC, Western Bahr al Ghazal State, Wow.